All right, so this is some French music again we're going to be doing. This is from the film Amélie by Yann Tiersen. This is the waltz. I've got another song that I've done from the film on the channel. Cantine de autre something, something, something. I don't remember the name, but just type in Amélie. I'm pretty sure you'll find it. This is the second theme from this film. I'll play about 20 seconds of music for you. Then I'll teach you the notes, I'll teach you the fingering, and the rhythm in this piece, although we have some triplets peppered in, is fairly improvisatory. So you're not going to need to, it's not so rigid is what I mean. So you can be a little bit flexible with the way that you treat the rhythm. Anyway, here's what it sounds like. And then the variations begin. But I'll be doing that in the next series of tutorials. In this one, we're just covering the main theme here. We'll start with the left hand. Let's get to it. The left hand is fairly straightforward. We have a few chords. Each bar has its own sort of event. So the first bar, we get a D. Second bar, we get 4, 2, and 1. Each bar is 2 beats long. Kind of interesting, isn't it? It's a waltz, but it's in 2/4 time. Anyway, third bar, 5 on A. Then fourth bar is 4, 2, and 1. So take a moment and learn that. If it's going too fast, make sure you hit the slow-mo button. You know, you can like kind of slow it down to 0.75 or 0.5 of the original tempo. Alrighty, the next 4 bars are exactly the same. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Pretty straightforward, I think. So that covers the left hand. Make sure you know the left hand fairly well so you can focus all of your attention on the right. In the right hand, we're going to start on 4. Don't worry about the rhythm for now. We'll deal with just the notes. Then 3, 2. Hold that for a bit. And then a thumb to finish off. And that thumb begins the next phrase, which is the same. We have a D for a while. Now a little bit of an embellishment. So that's 5, 4, 3, 2. And then 3, 2. Hold for a while. And then finish on A again. So those are the notes and those are the fingerings. Now with the counting, we get this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this embellishment, these are kind of triplets here, you know. So what happens is the bar before it, you hold that for a bit, and in the next bar, the 1, the beat number 1 is alone, and then the triplets start coming in. The reason for that is that the first of these triplets is actually tied over from the previous bar. Without getting too much into the details of how to write music in general, the only thing you should know is that if you're playing with both hands, the left hand chord will take the first beat, right? And then the right hand will come in with its triplets. 1, 2. All right? So I play from the beginning. At this point, you should kind of know how to play both hands separately with counting. And you can see the way that the hands interact. So from the top, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Next, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So what's important here is that we have 1, 2. This C falls on beat number 2. 1, 2, and then the rest is fine. 1, 2, 1, 2. Pedaling, you change every left hand change. So actually, I should mention, actually it should be every 2 bars. I think that's the easiest way to do it. So pedal down, right? That's all one harmony. And then change here. And then change back in D minor. Change there. And then it's all under one pedal. And that's it. That's sort of the beginning of the piece. The rest of this I'm going to put on the website. Go have a look over there. It's free. Become a member and hang out with me there. All right. See you in the next ones, guys.